the mini UPS for the router, how it is going to work. It's a XL6009. This is a XL6009 module. It will convert the input voltage to whatever the voltage required for this battery pack, and you will also need another buck converter LM2596. This will convert the voltage from the battery pack to whatever voltage is required for this router, your router, whichever. This will need 9 volts. You will need 2 buck converters. This buck converter will supply the battery pack the BMS 16.8 volts. Another buck converter will supply the router with 12 volts from this battery pack, constant 12 volts. This is all you need actually. Maybe some connectors, maybe some switches. To make the battery pack, I'm going to use these 2000 milliamp hour batteries. I'm actually using 8 of these in 4S configuration. That's the 4S2P configuration. For safety, you need to use these gaskets to the positive side, because the negative side is also here very nearby. In case if you melt this plastic on the battery, it could short and could lead to fires. If you use these gaskets, this will not melt like the plastic. Four in series, 2 in parallel. You'll need to connect 4 in series and 2 in parallel. So let's go this way: negative, positive, positive to negative, and negative to positive, and positive to negative. Current flows like this, and the 2 parallel. This is a 4S2P battery pack setup, and this is a 4S 40 amp BMS. You don't need a 40 amp BMS. 20 amp will be sufficient for this battery pack. It's a very tiny battery pack. I have made a really large battery packs. You could check out on my channel. Do not solder the batteries to join this. If you solder like this, you will damage the batteries internally, and this could lead to fires and batteries exploding inside your mini tiny UPS. Please don't do this. You should do welding, spot welding. I actually have made a spot welder from a used micro transformer for less than $10. You could watch it on my channel. It's a very explanative video. You won't need anything else on YouTube if you wanted a spot welder to make battery packs. It's a really explanative video. You should subscribe right now and help this to create your greatest channel monetized. Hit that subscribe button right now. Come on, do it.